What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, man, I have my bike here in this little corner next to my truck. Got the trigger charger on. Got my gloves to show you how cold it is. You saw it at the beginning of the video. It's 2 degrees out here in Chicago, man. Riding season is deeply gone. You can't even go out there, man. It's so cold. It's really cold, man. And I'm just being real with you guys. 5 things you should do. How to store your bike for the winter. It has worked for me. Other people has worked differently. These 5 things have done me well over the past 2 years owning the bike. So I'm just gonna show you, keeping it real, man. Right now, I got on the trigger charger. The trigger charger I do have is by Noco. As you can see right here, it's a 12-volt battery and it shows you green. That means the battery is good. If it's red, blinking red, is because it's bad and it's charging. But man, get you one of these Nocos, bro. I'm not getting sponsored or nothing, but man, this investment right here, I think is like 40 bucks, I think, or 60 bucks. But dude, this will save your life. Like, even if your battery is really dead on your truck, on your car, on your motorcycle, and you just need a quick 30 minutes, just let it charge, it'll kick it right in. It got lithium battery, 6-volt and 12-volt AGM. I don't know what that means, but get you guys a Noco, or you can get a motorcycle trigger charger, but that's the one I recommend. Really helpful. I got it on my battery right now. Take out the battery, disconnect the battery, and take it inside your house and connect it there. I've been having it here for a week now. Nothing wrong. Second thing that I do is, before putting it into the garage and it's cold, I make sure I have gas. So I make sure I have gas. There's gas in there. It's full tank. Yeah, make sure I have gas, full tank of gas. Make sure you got some fuel in there, some good E85. Don't put E85 in there unless you have E85 injectors, which I seen people do E85 on some other bikes, not Kawasaki's, but other bikes. It's pretty cool. But put full tank of fuel in your motorcycle, keeping it, telling you what I do, and it works for me. All right. Third thing that the third thing I did before storing it and it got really, really cold, I did an oil change. I put in fresh new oil and a brand new filter. I did a new filter, fresh oil. So when I do want to turn it on, it's fresh, clean oil. That really helped me. I don't want to keep the past oil of the riding season. So if you guys don't have a place to do it, just what I recommend, just don't turn it on, but don't leave it running for too long. Don't rev it too much. I seen videos like, yeah, you can turn it on. I don't know, man, but for everybody's different. And like me, bro, I can't put it in a storage area. Thankfully, I have a garage where I can put my cars and keep my bike in this little corner here. I'm thankful for that. Some people can't afford, or me, I don't want to waste money on a good warm climate control. Will take care of it. $150 a month to keep your bike warm, even if it's like this. It's not that cold in here, but it's fucking freezing. So it works out for me. The bike turns out great. I got no lights. I don't got no Christmas lights, even though Christmas just passed. I don't have no Christmas lights on my dash. She is really dirty, so I haven't washed it. So it's gonna be dirty till, I say my predictions, till May. That's gonna have my first wash. So that's the third thing. The fourth thing is, if you don't have a motorcycle cover, and I know a lot of you guys don't have a garage and your bike's literally outside. And here in Chicago, we just had a couple of slushy snow, random rain. Get you guys a motorcycle cover, man. Get you a nice motorcycle cover. You can get one on Amazon. I found some decent ones. I'll put the links in the descriptions for some nice car covers. Get you car covers, you see? I'm so used to the car culture. Get you a motorcycle cover. Get yourself a motorcycle cover. It will help a lot, trust me, it will. On those brutal slushy rain and slushy snow, if you're out here in the Midwest or more in the East, it will help a lot. They're not that expensive, and they will help you, man. So get you one of those. The fifth thing that I do here and there, not usually do it a lot. Sometimes I let it run for like an hour or 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 30, 40, or an hour. I let it run 30, 40, or an hour. I just let it run, get some lines going through those fuel lines, the oil line, just get some there. I don't rev it. And that's about it, man. Those are my 5 things that I do to keep my motorcycle maintained until the riding season. And that's it. That's all I do. I have friends that have the same Ninja that don't have a supercharger, don't have a car cover, keep it outside, and it still turns on, man. Some people are lucky. I'm not lucky. I'm keeping it real with y'all guys. And I'm like, damn, what the fuck? That's crazy. It doesn't work for me. But obviously, everybody's not lucky and things are not fair. But I will put all these links in the description, guys. And I'm just keeping it real with you guys. I'm also like a guy that right now I'm trying to save up for a new bike. I don't want to waste $150 or $200 a month where I can store the bike and basically just wait till the riding season, you know? So I'll save my $200 and put them to the side, save up for a better bike. Obviously not everybody has a garage that's heated. Mine's super cold. You can cold as hell, bro. And those are my 5 things to you guys to what to do to keep your motorcycle maintained through these crazy winters right now. It's so cold, man. You can't even make contact with the motorcycle because it's so dead. You know, you just gotta figure out ideas, and I figure why not do 5 things that will help other beginner riders on their first winter if you live in the Midwest or the East Coast. Obviously the West Coast is different. The lowest they'll get is like 30 or 40. We'll be out there. You know, guy, you know it will be out there. It was 40 degrees right now. Other than that, that's about it. That's all I have. Oh, also, my bad. I guess I have six things on my list. Is one of these. Get you one of these. I don't even know what it's called, man. I lost my train of thought. I bought this one off Cycle Gear. It was around $100. It does the job. Don't get me wrong. It's kind of iffy because of the material and the brand it's okay, guys. It does the job. But I'm gonna get a Pitbull. Obviously, I have so much aftermarket parts in my basement that I have the spools or the things that go right here to mount it better with the hooks. And I have the Pitbull downstairs in my basement. I have a Pitbull one, brand new. I haven't even opened it. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just use this one for now. It's doing the job. I'll also put that one in the description. Get you one of these. It's only like $100. That's about it. But it does the job. It's kind of iffy on putting it on there, but it's all right, guys. It's decent, but it's not that hard. Other than that, that's about it, right? I guess I got everything. I got the supercharger, gas, fresh oil change, a motorcycle car cover, and what else I did? Oh, I turned it on. Not right now. And one of these. I guess 6 things. But let's just keep it a 5. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. I got other type of videos coming up that's not motorcycle related, more of a car related and lifestyle vlogs, because obviously you can't really do nothing right now, man. It's so cold. I know a lot of homies right now, they're like making Instagram reels and they just have tons of footage that they have, and they're just taking the opportunity right now to post and build their page and build their content. But as in YouTube, it's pretty hard out here for us. I got a lot of new things that I ordered. So I got a brand new chain. Finally got a chain. Obviously, I may do a fresh oil change when the season starts again. I don't know, that's just me. I may need tires. I may need tires also. You know, look at these and shit. Still even got the damn brand new line of these tires. I don't know, I may buy some new tires, but I got a new chain. I might need new tires. Finally, I came across an OEM tail light. Finally came across a new tail light. Finally got my boy's fender eliminator. What else I got? And the things I told you, the little spools that go there for the pit bull. What else did I get? Oh, and I got these right here. I guess they're this color after a while now. They say Ninja. And that's about it, guys. That's all I have. I haven't bought nothing else. You can't really do much in these Ninja 400s. So, I don't know about getting a new bike right now, because I really want to save up. And I don't want to deal with payments. So I just really want to cash out on a new bike. So I'm saving up, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope this guys helps you out. If you guys have other ideas or other questions, or you know something that I don't know during these winter conditions, comment down below of how you may help me out and I may help you out. So other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.